Hello rail fans, and welcome to French Fried Trains. Today, we're going to be building another freight car here, and we're going to be building this Cryo Trans refrigerator car. And as you can see, this one is distinctive because of the orange striping on the top and the bottom of the car. And these are the refrigerator car types that I see most often on trains in my area. So this is a modern refrigerator car type, and this is what it looks like. So let's get right into the build. So we'll start off with the coupler, so take out a dark oak stair here, and we're going to attach that up on the second layer. Under it, a sideways dark oak fence gate. Then on the next block forward, on the bottom middle, we're going to crouch and add 3 more sideways dark oak fence gates in the middle. So a total of 4 fence gates, but 3 sticking past the coupler. In front of it, a set of netherite wheels on each rail with an end rod axle. Then we're going to go 3 wide of upside down deep slate tile stairs in a back-to-back T-shaped pattern in the middle. And then on this end of it, another set of netherite wheels and an end rod axle. Then we're going to open 2 fence gates on the middle of each side of this truck, and then go through and put a hopper on all 4 netherite wheels. Next, we will crouch and we'll put a wither skeleton skull on each hopper. And then of course repeat on this side, 1 on each hopper over here as well. Next, we're going to take out acacia slabs, and we're going to come in front of this, and we need to be right on the center with top slabs in the middle, and we're going to do a line coming down the middle that will be 19 slabs long in total. So 1, 9, 19. Then on this side of it only, coming off this wheel, we're going to put 5 sideways chains in a row. Then in front of that, 2 polished deep slate top slabs. Then we're going to do 5 sideways chains above the rail again. And then we're going to do 3 polished deep slate top slabs. And then finally 4 sideways chains right here. Then right in front of this, we're going to do a netherite wheel on each rail with an end rod axle. Then same as before, we're going to go 3 wide on the middle with upside down deep slate tile stairs in a back-to-back T-shaped pattern. Then over here, another set of netherite wheels and an end rod axle. Then put a hopper on all 4 wheels and open 2 fence gates on each side of the truck. Then we're going to crouch and put a wither skeleton skull on each hopper. And same thing over here. Then we're going to do this end, which is asymmetrical to the other end because this end will have the refrigeration unit. So we're going to come on this end, behind this truck on the bottom middle right here, and we're going to do a line of 6 sideways fence gates in the center this time. So this side is longer and sticks out by 6. Then we're going to come back down to this end on the second layer, and we're going to take out orange concrete right behind this coupler up here. And we're going to go 3 wide in the middle with orange concrete starting here. And we're going to start bringing that all the way across the top of this layer, 3 wide in the middle. And just keep it coming here. And we're going to come right over this truck. And we're going to come out past this truck until there's just 3 fence gates left sticking out down here like this. Then we'll come stand up here, crouch, and on that very end fence gate, put a dark oak stair for the coupler going that way, so there's a gap of 2 right there. Then in this gap, on the second layer, we're going to put 2 rows of 5 blackstone brick bottom slabs across here like this. Then on the side of the second layer up here, we're going to put 3 orange concrete here, 3 on this side. Then an acacia top slab, 2 concrete, and a top slab. Repeat it over here so the slabs are above each wheel. Then we're going to do the same thing at this end, so come down here, 3 orange concrete on this side up here, 3 here. Then a top slab, 2 concrete, and a top slab. And then repeat the pattern on this side as well here. And then finally on this top outer edge here, we're just going to come all the way across it with a full row of orange concrete. Just like that. And then repeat on this side, a full row of orange concrete on this side as well, going end to end. And now our base is finally completed here. Now come on top of the end that does not have the black stone brick slabs. And right here, we're gonna do a 5x5 of smooth quartz stairs facing the end of the car. On top of it, 5 orange concrete up here. Then it's asymmetrical, so the other side won't be stairs. So we're gonna come to the end with the slabs on top of the orange concrete here. And on this end, we're just gonna do a 5x5 of smooth quartz blocks here. And then 5 orange concrete on the top again. Then come on this bottom corner in front of this here and do a line of 12 smooth quartz blocks coming in. And we're gonna raise that up so it's 5 blocks tall. So it's a 12x5 in front of the side here. And then once we have that, of course, we're gonna do the same thing on this side. So we'll come right here on the outer edge and do another 5x12 on this side to fill in this whole wall. And then we're gonna repeat on both sides of the other end. So we'll start at this end and do another 12 long and 5 high on each side of this end. And then once all 4 are filled in, take smooth quartz stairs, 5 going this way here, 5 going this way here. Turn around, 5 going this way here, 5 going this way here. Then we're gonna do outward facing stairs, 5 here, and then 5 over here. Repeat on this side, so 5 outward facing stairs here, 5 here. Then we're gonna put 5 stairs going this way right here, so they wrap around this corner. 5 going this way right here. Then we'll turn around and go 5 going this way right here, 5 going this way here, and finally a column of 5 smooth quartz blocks on the center of each side here. Then we're going to switch to orange concrete on top and do a full line all the way across this top side here to the other end. Repeat on this side, so full line of orange concrete up here as well, going end to end. And then finally we'll fill in the roof. So we're just gonna go 3 wide on this top middle up here with our smooth quartz blocks and just fill this all in and bring it down to the other end so the whole top gets filled in. Right down to this other end here. And now our basic shape is done and we can start. Now come on this end and add another 2 rows of 5 black stone brick slabs across here. Then we're gonna put 5 black stone brick stairs facing this way on the end. And then in this gap, we're gonna do 5 sideways anvils here. Then above the anvils, 5 iron trapdoors. Then we're gonna take out birch fences, 1 on the middle here. On the side of this, a column of 3 here. Then we'll do a column of 3 on this side. Then on the side of this right here, we're gonna put 2 birch fence gates like this. And we will repeat over here, 2 fence gates like this right here. Then come up here and we're gonna put 2 fence gates here and 2 here. Then on the top middle of this end, 2 rows of 3 deep slate tile blocks in the center, 3 smooth quartz under it, and 3 smooth quartz slabs on the middle under that. Then we're gonna put an acacia sign here, 2 polished black stone buttons here, and 1 here. And then 1 here. Then we're gonna come to the other end. So take birch fence gates down here. On this bottom corner, do 3 right here. Then come around the corner and do 3 here. Then repeat on this side, a column of 3 here and here. But this trapdoor on this other car is in the way, so I have to take it off to show you. So like this. Then come around here, and we're gonna close the jungle trapdoor right here for a brake wheel. Then up here, an acacia sign here, and 1 right here. Then come 1 block over from this fence gate, put a bamboo sign here, then 1 above this slab. Then 1 block over from the door, 1 here, with an acacia sign above it. Then we're gonna come over on the other side of the door, 1 block over from the door, 1 bamboo sign here, 1 above this wheel, and one block over from this fence gate. And we will repeat the pattern on the other side. So starting right here, 1 block over, a bamboo sign here, 1 above this wheel, 1 block over from the door, 1 here, and an acacia sign above it. Then 1 block over from this side of the door, a bamboo sign here, then 1 above this wheel, and 1 block over, 1 right here. Now switch to birch signs, and we're gonna come down on this end here. And on this black stone brick here, we're gonna put 1 sign here and 1 here. Then we're gonna switch to warp signs, and we're gonna come on this right hand end here. And up here, we need a row of 4 warp signs like this. So it's kind of aligned with that gap between the bamboo signs on bottom. Under it, 2 warp signs in the middle. And under that, 4 warp signs again. So it's like this. And then we are going to do that on the other side. So come to this end and align with this gap between the bamboo signs. Do 4 warp signs here, 2 in the middle above it, and 4 warp signs above that. Then come underneath these warp signs and do 2 rows of 4 acacia buttons here. Next to this sign, an item frame down here, and then 1 acacia button here and here. Repeat it over here, so come under here, 2 rows of 4 acacia buttons down here. Next to this sign, an item frame, then an acacia button here, and 1 here. And now we need to detail the door. So we're gonna take iron bars on this middle set of stairs of this section and do 5 iron bars right here, and then 5 right here. On this bottom middle, 2 acacia fences, then an acacia fence gate here and here. And then on the top middle of the door, an acacia sign here. Repeat on the other side. So come over here. We'll do 5 iron bars here, and we'll do 5 here. On the bottom middle, 2 acacia fences, then an acacia fence gate here and here, an acacia sign on this top middle. Then we're gonna put an acacia button here and here on either side of the door. Repeat, 1 button here and 1 button here. Next, we're gonna come down to this bottom left corner by this first bamboo sign and up 1 and over. Put 2 buttons here, and then above this, 4 acacia signs like this. And we will repeat that on the other end. So come to this side at this other end. Come over and up from this bamboo sign, 2 acacia buttons here, and then 4 acacia signs up here, like this. Now come into a loom with a white banner and orange dye. Put a vertical on the left, a horizontal on the top and bottom. New banner, do a vertical in the center, horizontal on top. Then go to white dye and put a white border around each banner. Then we're going to come up here, and above the middle of these signs, put CT. And we will go ahead and repeat on the other end. So come over here, on the middle of these signs up here, use the banners to put CT. Then we're going to do the top. So we're going to come on top of this orange concrete, and we're going to go 3 wide in the middle with smooth quartz slabs up here. And we're just going to go ahead and bring that all the way down across the top. 3 wide in the center with our smooth quartz slabs. And just go ahead and bring that to the other end. So you're above the orange concrete on this end. Then on this top outer edge, we're just going to do a full row of iron trap doors across here. And then of course, repeat on this side. Do a full row of iron trap doors all the way across the top outside edge of this side as well, going end to end here, just like that. And there we have it, folks. We've completed our Cryotrans refrigerator car tutorial. I hope everyone enjoyed the build here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone have a great week. Stay safe out there, rail fans.